Hey everybody, you're never going to believe I came in today and the front door was propped open. Not our door to the studio, but the front door to the building itself, into the foyer. It was propped open. Didn't really think anything of it because I just figured that the staff who work upstairs were bringing something in or something like that. Got into the studio, started doing my editing, and a bird flew overhead. Yep. So, I was fortunate in that it flew into the bathroom, so I've closed the bathroom door, and I'm going to do my best to try to get it out safely. I guess you're along for the ride. Here's hoping everything goes okay. Okay, I've got it inside this box, and I'm going to set it free. Okay, so when I captured it in the box the first time, it was up against the bathroom, like the sink, and it decided, instead of going in the box, it would go in the box and make some scurrying sounds so that I would think it was in the box, and then scoot underneath of the sink. So now it is in a space about this high, and I can't get it. So I'm going to keep trying. That's it. I think I got him. Yep. Now, what happens next? Get in the box! Come on! This is a problem. It's up in there. Okay, so at this point, I have to get to work, and it is up in the vent system. I can hear it scurrying around up in there, and I don't know how to get it out. My biggest fears, there's a couple of things that, obviously, I don't want the thing to die. And if it goes too far, you know, toward whatever furnace system or whatever they have here, I'm afraid that might happen. But it seems to be kind of trapped in this area, and I think there may be some like filters or something that it can't get past. So this is a good thing. So my biggest fears right now are, well, I guess my only fear is that I can't control if it came out of one of these vents, because these vents, it could get its head through, although I think they may have a fan, so maybe that's not going to be a problem. So the hope is that it's going to come right back out into the bathroom. I'm going to keep the bathroom door closed, I'm going to keep the light on, and I'm setting up a video camera. I put a camera there on the floor. So what I've done is I've got the pan camera from WyzeCam on the floor so that I can see while I'm at work whether the bird shows its head again, and that's all I can think of. So I'm going to have remote access to that so that I can see if the bird comes out. So I've got to head to work, and we'll pick it up. I guess for you it's a fade to black. For me, who knows? See ya. Okay, I'm at work right now, and this is the video feed that I have on my phone. And all right, so this is promising. Bird looks okay. Just a little freaked out, trying to find a way out. I gotta wait for a technician to come back. Once I've got a technician here, I can head back to the studio. I'm gonna stop at the dollar store on my way and see what I can come up with. Alright, I've got a net, I've got some string, and some bird seed. Let's head back to the studio. Okay, so I've returned with my bag of tricks. Here's hoping. Okay, I was able to get the garbage can, which I'm going to convert into a humane bird trap by opening the lid, putting a string on it, and hoping for the best. And I'm going to put bird feed in it. Let's see how that goes. So, Kleenex box goes here, like that, comes outside of the bathroom, and when the bird flies in, which I'll be able to see from the surveillance camera, yes! Okay, he is right there. Okay, it's in. Okay, I've obviously scared him. Oh, here he comes. So I'm actually watching him here on a WyzeCam Pan. This is nuts. Curious. Don't touch the box. Don't touch the box. I got him. So, got him out. Now let's look at the aftermath. So this was maybe the saving grace and yet at the same time a pain. I've never thought, I mean it's an industrial building, never thought to put anything over it. I think that's the next thing I'm going to do. So the paper I stuck in there so he would not end up underneath again, and there's the WyzeCam Pan that was able to allow me to see it. Alright, well I've got to get back to work. Mission accomplished. Cleanup will be another day. There's quite a bit of mess to clean up the mess, but it could have been worse. I was fortunate to be able to trap him into the into the bathroom because it is a smaller room. It would have been really bad if he was in the studio and I couldn't catch him. That would have been bad. But I did get a net just in case it escaped. So here's hoping I don't have to go through that again. Take care, everybody. See ya.